Hello viewers, welcome to the online class of Ananta Multimedia School and College. Today I am here with an important passage for the students of class 8. Our today's passage is Dhaka Floating Market. That means the title of our today's passage is Dhaka Floating Market. Dear learners, you know there are two passages about Dhaka Floating Market. Already I have taken the first passage on the Dhaka Floating Market. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on the second passage, that means the Dhaka Floating Market 2, Unit 6, Lesson 9, C and F. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to describe the pictures, understand the contextual meaning of the words, know the atmosphere at the market, know the buyers and the sellers of the market. You are watching the picture of Dhaka Floating Market and the pictures of buyers and sellers, which is situated in Thailand. Dear learners, the second passage is for you. The Dhaka Floating Market is more traditional with few tourists visiting than other floating markets. Originally, the Dhaka Floating Market used to sit only 6 or 7 days a month depending on the phase of the moon. Nowadays, the trade takes place on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays too. The main buyers here are the Dhaka natives. The people seem to know each other very well. Everyone was seen smiling and calling each other by name. The locals did not notice Mita and others much. They were all busy buying and selling. They passed an hour and a half at the market and enjoyed the business. Then all of them were hungry. They rode near the boat of an elderly woman who was selling food. She welcomed them with a smile and showed them the foods. They bought the traditional and very popular food called Pad Thai, a kind of noodles with shrimps, tomato and some vegetables, with freshly roasted crushed peanut. The food was served in a bowl made from banana leaf. After Pad Thai, they ate Kanom Krok. It is a coconut pancake which is very sweet. That means which is very delicious. The Dhaka people are simple and easygoing. The Dhaka people are simple and easygoing. They are very friendly and polite. They do not understand English or any other language. Yet they have a way to communicate with Mita and others. Mita was delighted to see a traditional Thai floating market. She took a lot of pictures with the elderly sellers. Okay students, let's go our task. New vocabularies. Dear learners, in this section we will discuss new vocabularies. That means parts of speech, synonym or antonym. Traditional. Traditional means conventional. Tourist. Tourist means sightseer. Trade. Trade means business. Take place. Take place means occur. Main. Main means chief. Notice. Notice means observe. Past. Past means spent. Friendly. Friendly means amicable. Polite means well-mannered. Peanut means groundnut. Crushed means smashed. Evaluation. Dear learners, in this section we will choose the best answer from the alternatives. The word traditional means customary or optional or civilian or occupational. What will be the correct answer? The traditional means customary. The word originally means apparently, perfectly, genuinely, punitively. What will be the correct answer? That means the word originally means genuinely. The word depend means deduce, act, rely, or rent. What do you mean by depend? The depend means rely. Pad Thai is a dash food of Thailand. Fast food, European, Chinese, traditional. Pad Thai is a traditional food of Thailand. The chief buyers of the floating market are the natives, the foreigners, the tourists, or only the young people. The chief buyers of the floating markets are the natives. The floating market sits dash days in a week. 2, 3, 4, 6. The Thaka floating market sits 3 days in a week. The word easygoing means not fussy, not peaceful or chaotic. The word easygoing means not fussy. The word welcome means thank or accept or receive or greet. The word welcome means greet. The word polite is a or an noun, pronoun, verb or adjective. The word polite is an adjective. The antonym of the word popular is democratic, exoteric, false, foxy, unpopular. The antonym of the word popular means unpopular. The synonym of the word same is cure, fancy, search or royal. The synonym of the word same means fancy. What are you looking in the picture? The Thaka floating market. What are you looking in the pictures? The first picture is about 2 boats and the second picture is coconuts. What are you looking in the picture? The coconut tree. What are you looking in the picture? A sailor. What are you looking in the pictures? 2 women are rowing their boats. Dear learners, in this section we will answer the short questions. The first question: why is the Thaka floating market traditional? The Thaka floating market is traditional because a few tourists visit there than other floating markets. The next question: how many days a week does the market sit? The market sits 3 days a week. Why does everyone call each other by name? Everyone calls each other by name because they know one another very well. The next question: who are mainly the buyers at the market? Mainly the native people are the buyers at the market. Who were hungry? Mita, Zara and her parents were hungry. The next question: how long did they spend at the market? They spent 1.5 hours at the market. Next question: how do the Thaka people communicate with others? The Thaka people communicate with others with body language. Who took photographs with the sellers? Mita took photographs with the sellers. How did the elderly woman greet them? The elderly woman greeted them with a smile. Dear learners, in this section we will fill the gaps with appropriate word. Okay learners, let's start. River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. Firstly, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. Hence, their income is threatened. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of previous waterways has shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers in the country in dry seasons. Okay students, I think you have enjoyed this class. If you learned something from this today's topic, my level and expectation will be fulfilled. Thank you all. Thank you very much.